Pitong proyekto ang maapektuhan ng pagbawas ng 10 bilyong piso sa pondo ng Armed Forces Modernization Program sa 2025. Sinabi yan ni Senator Bato de la Rosa sa plenary debates ng Senado ukol sa budget ng programa. Dati nang hinimok ni de la Rosa ang Senado na ibalik ang bilyon-bilyong piso na tinanggal ng House of Representatives. Ito'y nasa 40 billion pesos na lamang mula 50 billion.
These are projects concerning cyber systems and projects for forward support equipments and aviation engineering equipments, additional aircraft, joint tactical combat vehicles, and radar basing support systems. So ito yung pitong projects that would be impacted by the reduction of our modernization fund by 10 billion pesos.
Ikinadismaya ni Senator J.V. Ejercito ang pagtapyas na yan dahil hindi man lang daw maabot ng bansa ang minimum credible defense posture nito dahil sa taon-taong pagbawas ng budget ng AFP modernization.
Dapat 2023 pa lang, Horizon 3 na tayo. That focusing on our external defense already. Dapat 2023, especially now with the precarious situation in the West Philippine Sea. As I mentioned earlier, we are not here hindi naman natin inaambisyon na tapatan po ang China in terms of military might. Sila po ay superpower, tayo po ay third world country. But again, we do support, of course, the aim of the armed forces to have that minimum credible defense posture. I'll make my own amendment also to augment further, aside from proposing that the 10 billion budget cut be restored. I would really propose that the budget of the armed forces AFP modernization be augmented so that we can catch up already with the Horizon 3.
Ani de la Rosa, nasa zero pa ang completion ng Horizon 3 phase ng programa para sa modernisasyon kahit na ito ay dapat para sa mga taong 2023 hanggang 2027. Dagdag ni de la Rosa, yan ay dahil ngayong taon lang daw ito inaprubahan. Pero ang Horizon 1 naman daw 99% complete na at inaasahang makukumpleto ito sa 2026. Pero ang Horizon 2 nasa 23% pa lang ang completion rate at nakikitang sa 2029 pa ito abot ng 56%. Ang kabuuan naman ng National Defense Department ay may ipinanukalang 2025 budget na higit 265 billion pesos. Para sa Agenda, Agatha Gregorio, BNC.